tells me you're a man of your word.
I appreciate that.
Hey, forget about it. Let's just get to the issue at hand.
Oh. She never put the gun on the bus.
That's because Paul Cavallo never kicked anything up to us.
Mr. Sardino, I could see you now. What will it be today?
He was tired of being screwed by the petroleum.
Oh! And then his brother comes along and takes it all away. What about this Vito Morelli?
I've been busy. I've been home. What?
You know, I've noticed that there's something been bothering you this past week.
Pack your bags.
I don't give a shit what way you
Sit down, Nick. You're gonna get out of our club.
I told you, I got a guy on the inside.
Nick! Nick!
I'm going to Miami.